Hello, welcome to the Student Success 101 series. Today we're going to be talking about grade management and how zeros can tank your grades. So you got a zero on an assignment. Big deal. It happens, right? Let's talk about that a little bit more. So you get a zero, right? F is for failing, right? So you know what? I'm going to try really hard. On the next assignment, you get 100. That's awesome, right? So you have two assignments, 0 and 100. So your average now is 50%. We're still failing, right? So you say, you know what, I'm going to try really, really hard on the next one. You know what? And you nail that one too. So you have 3 grades and you have 200 points in this class, right? And now you're looking at 66%, right? You have a D. It's passing, but below average and actually in kind of that danger realm, right? So you're going to say, you know what, I'm going to try really, really hard, and I'm going to try to get another 100. And you do! So you have 300s and 1 0, right? So now your average is 75. You're C, you're passing, you're at an average grade level, right? All right. What if you got an F instead of a 0? You weren't very proud of it, but it's unacceptable. You got an F, right? So you try really hard on that second assignment, and you get 100. Your average now is a 75. You have a C. It's now passing. Let's look at these side by side. All right? So 1 0 takes 3 100s to pull up to a C. An F, or 50, takes 1 100 to pull up to a C. So which is easier to do? 3 100s or 1? So remember, zeros can sink your grades very quickly. Avoid them. Do your work on time. Communicate to your professors, but avoid zeros at all costs. All right? Look for more videos on grade management in this series and reach out to your supports. All right, take care. Have a good one.